Hi there, welcome back. What I have today is an ABS 1-star high security kite mark block. There's the bitting on the key. Really nasty stuff. Hopefully we can get this picked. I won't be gutting it today as I haven't already removed the circlip and stuff like that, so yeah, I just won't be gutting it, but hopefully we can still pick it. I will be using pin side tension, and I will be starting off with a homemade pick. So straight in looking for a binder. Gonna click out a pin 5. All the way back to 1. Click out a 2. I think 1 pop back up there. There we go. On pin 3. Click out a 3. See if 1's popped back down. Nope. That was pin 4. And again on pin 1. You have pin 1 there. And then I'm changing picks to Peterson Gem in 18,000. All the way at the back. On pin 5 there. Pin 4, and then we do have an open. I didn't feel pin 6 click there, but I'm going to show you it is in there. There's, as I say, the bitting on the key, and it's a really fun pick, gives a lot of feedback, sometimes can be a pain. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks, bye for now.